All right, the first thing you're going to do to see if they are similar, you're going to state if they're similar. Now, for these, you don't have SAS or AAS. That's only for triangles. But if these are similar, what I do is shape one. This has 4 sides, so I'm going to make 4 fractions. Shape 1 goes on top, and I go from smallest to biggest. And this one has 2 of the same, but we're going to just do it this way. And this goes from smallest to biggest. Everybody follow me? Now in your calculator, you can put all of these fractions in. They should give you the same ugly decimal, or they should round to the same fraction. But I see right here, I see a problem. This is 4/7 and this is 1/2 technically, right? 7/14. So I know they're not going to be equal. So these two are not similar. But if you put them in and found the fraction, you would see that they don't give you the same ugly decimal. All right, so number 8, it's saying in the directions to find the scale factor of the smaller figure to the larger figure. And the reason I'm doing number 8 is because they gave you the larger one first. So in this one, you have to do things in order. Those of you who got a few things wrong on your homework this weekend, it was because it would say, what is the ratio in this classroom of girls to boys? And you put boys to girls. You put them in the wrong order, okay? So you've got to pay attention to order. They want the smallest, so this is going to be 20 and 35, right? If you put those in order. And who does the 20 go with? In the big 24. One. 24 and the 42. Okay?
You want it right.
So 4 goes into 20 24ths. It goes in 5 6. That's equal to 5 6, right? Mm-hmm. And the same thing happens when you divide by 7 here. It's 5 6. They are going to be equal because they tell you that these two shapes are similar. So they're going to be equal. That's not what you're looking for. What you're looking for is the scale factor, and it's 5 to 6. That is your final answer. What that means is every 5 inches in the small guy equals 6 inches in the large guy. Okay? Okay, so here they're telling you that the polygons are similar and find the missing side. Let's do number 12 together. Okay? So these shapes are in the same orientation. So we know they're similar. So the 4, 5, and X. Everybody see those are the 3 sides I have on the left guy? Who does the 4 go with?
It's a 16.
16. The 5?
The 20.
Perfect. And who does the X go with?
32.
Now you really don't need all of these fractions. Just make sure you've paired the right things with the right numbers, okay? So I'm going to reduce this. This is 1/4 and this is 1/4. Makes it easier if you reduce your fractions. And now I'm going to cross multiply. 4x equals 32, x equals 8. Remember that these shapes are in the same orientation. So we have 2x plus 8 goes with who?
5.
Yep. And 16 goes with who?
4.
Mm-hmm. Now, I see an opportunity to reduce that, and I'm going to do that. You don't have to. You can use the big numbers, but I think you just run a risk. And I'm going to put 4/1, so I can cross multiply now a lot easier. Everybody see what I did? All right, so now I cross multiply, and 1 times 2x plus 8 is 2x plus 8 equals 20. 2x equals 12. X equals 6. And all they want is x, so we found x. We got it. Just circle it and move on.